How to change the admin on Discord. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the admin on Discord. First, go to Discord and make sure you're logged in. Now tap on the server from the left sidebar. Then click on the server name and choose Server Settings. Now tap on Roles from the left menu. Click on Create Role. Next, enter the role name as admin. Then tap on Permissions. Now turn on the toggles for View Channels, Manage Channels, and Manage Roles. Also, turn on View Audit Log, Manage Webhooks, and Manage Server. Scroll down and enable any other permissions you want for the admin role. Now assign this role to the person you want to make an admin by going to Members under User Management and editing their role. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.